Control and prevention of black flies. Control and prevention of black flies mostly targeted to the larval stages because they are concentrated in easily identifiable and specific habitats. Different chemical insecticides have been using for more than a century. Nowadays, chlorinated hydrocarbon and organophosphates are using in managing the black flies. Entomopathogenic bacteria as BTI is using for controlling the black flies worldwide. Different symbiotic organisms and bacteria can also be used. Destruction of breeding habitats are occasionally effective in reducing pest populations. Repellents can also be used for human and animal population.